Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.5 LTS version on Linux Mint 22.1. But the process is same on all Linux Mint operating systems. First open the any web browser, then go to mysql.com, click on downloads, scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.4 to 8.4.5 LTS version 9.3.0. In this video I am going to show you how to install this. LTS means long term support release. Select it. If you are unable to find the version here, you have to go to this archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system. See here we don't have the Linux Mint, but open terminal mod/etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so select the operating system Ubuntu, then version 24.04. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. Instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 489 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.5. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.5 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf. Then give MySQL. Press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that we have to install. But before install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap-ipadic-utf8 lib-aio-dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type for confirmation and hit enter. Ctrl ls. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. Now provide the password for root account. Hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, but these components failed to install. It's okay, but we have installed MySQL Server 8.4.5. Ctrl A. Now verify sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Quit. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-b. Provide the password of root account that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version number 8.4.5. We can also verify the same. Select version. See, we got the same version. Ctrl L. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL Server installation. Let us create a database. Create database bank. Now verify the same. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database by using the keyword use. Then provide the name of the database. See, database is changed. Control it. Now verify the list of the tables. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. It is type. Now verify. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create the user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command. Select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully created. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the MySQL server from the current session and connect with this new user. Exit MySQL -u. New username is David -p. Then provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Okay, Control L. Now try to access the database that you have created. Provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Now exit. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBR on Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server on Linux Mint. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead 4 seconds ago. We took it. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -. See, you are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Successfully started. See, MySQL server is started 2 seconds ago. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. What the password root. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. Now we'll see how to restart. Just give sudo systemctl restart. Then service name. We have successfully restarted. ls these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.5 on Linux Mint operating system. So delete them. rm*.deb. It means it will delete all Debian packages. Enter ls. See, here we have one more file. Remove it. rm give MySQL, give the tab. Enter. See, we have successfully removed. So we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.5 on Linux Mint 22.1. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux Mint tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.